Well, it's September 3rd, bass fishing at Pier 90. Giant full moon out all night last night. Got me, Eric, and Tomas from the Swamp Posse out here. I'm gonna throw a watermelon Cinco for a little while, and then I'll try a Tequila Sun ribbon-tail worm. A lot of lilies. First time back here since Hurricane Laura and the floodgate was closed and all kind of stuff like that. So well, I swapped to a Tequila Sun ribbon-tail worm. Had a few little light taps on the watermelon Cinco, but no strikes. See if this new color worm will entice any fish to hit. Doesn't cast as far as the Cinco. I've had 2 taps in here, but it's got to be little stuff that can't take the worm down. Finally got one. All right, finally got one, Tomas. That'll be a nice little eater. That'll be a nice little eater. Little fish sandwich one. All right, took a while. He was right behind where an alligator just swam. I didn't think there'd be anything there. Another one. This one feels a little better. Oh yeah, nice little bass. Fish sandwich bass. Beautiful. Beautiful. This worm's falling apart here. Just had a couple taps right here. Seems like this one little area I'm getting a lot of bites. Got a lot of grass right there. Work the same little area where I got all my bites. Look like a little twitch there. Oh, missed another one. Missed another one. Dog nabbit. Let the line float on the water and wait till you see a twitch in it as the worm sinks. Seems to be the best strike indicator. Got another one. Oh yeah. They're like all carbon copies right here. That was in the grass. Can't get on. That's a nice little fish sandwich bass. We're gonna have a good fry today. I think he killed my worm. Try re-rigging it. You know what? Sometimes it's just time for a new one. I'd nab it. Probably pulled it out of his mouth if I did anything there. Just lost one. Playing with the camera. Little alligator here. I'm not catching enough fish for you to steal today, partner. Few and far in between. You'd be better off fishing on your own. Well, it wasn't great action in there, so I'm gonna go about a mile down the canal to a grass bed and see what's up. If I can pick up some more bass on a worm off the grass bed, and then I'll fish all the way back in with a beetle spin or a small spinner bait and all this stuff, and see if I can pick up any perch and catfish. Well, I came all the way out the canal to my grass bed, and the whole thing's covered with lilies, so I'll start working my way back with a spinner bait. Well, I swapped to a white spinner bait and fished it for about an hour and nothing, so I'm going to try the old black and chartreuse beetle spin on a little ultralight rod and fish perch and goggle eyes on the way in. So what do we got in the death chest today? 3 bass. 3 bass in the death chest. Slow day today. Well, I'm leaving Pier 90 at noon. I got 3 bass. Hit as hot as fire. I thought maybe September first week was a little cooler. It ain't. So 3 bass in a death chest. Till the next video, get out there and go fishing.